We're at the entrance to the geyser, and we're gonna go check it out down there. This is a big tourist spot. This is actually what other geysers are named after. So this is where the name comes from, which is pretty cool. This is so windy. Oh my gosh. Where we're going tomorrow, the winds yesterday in that location were 75 miles per hour. So the roads were closed, and it's quite windy here, but nowhere near that. The wind is blowing tears right out of my eyes. Whoa, that's a geyser. Did you just see that blow up? Whoa. That geysered right out of there. We're at Strokkur Geysir. The wind is blowing all the steam straight down, so it looks really cool. Any minute now. Ah! Do you think that was it?
I don't know.
Oh, it's very sulfur smelling when you walk through the mist. It's about 15 minutes between the bursts, and then there's usually a couple. Oh. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Oh my God, that was huge. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. I think we can go warm up now because I'm cold.
One of the best public signs ever.
This is a public advisory not to throw coins into the geysers. It says nature does not care for your money. When you throw it into the boiling hot water, you're polluting and littering the area. If you want to help someone by giving them money, please do. My lips are so frozen, I'm like talking with a lisp right now. So next up is one of the waterfalls. I don't remember which one. We'll figure it out when we get to the car. We're headed over to Gullfoss, which is a waterfall, only 10 minutes from the Strokkur Geysir. We were looking up the geyser situation because we got confused because I thought that the place we went to was just the original geyser. So the Strokkur Geysir is the one that was erupting. It does that every 7 to 10 minutes. And then the Geyser is right next to it. We went up to that too. It looks just like a pool of water, and that only erupts at random for a few months. So fun little fact right there for you. And now we're pulling up to Gullfoss. So here's the lot, and they're very strict about no overnight stays to make sure that you are in a campground, because tourism's gotten so popular in Iceland that they can't really have people sleeping wherever, so make sure that you're actually at a campsite. If you get to a campsite and they're not open for the season, you can park there as long as the gates are open, but the bathroom facilities will probably be closed, so bring toilet paper. All right, come on. Welcome to Gullfoss. Hey Wes, don't go chasing waterfalls. I'm gonna do it. Hurry, we gotta catch them. Another fun fact for you is that all the waterfalls end in foss because that means fall, so makes sense. When we pulled up in the parking lot, we're like, it's raining, let's just wait in the car and let it pass. And then Wes was like, it's not raining, that's just the waterfall mist. It's pretty crowded here. It's super windy up there, so you're probably not gonna hear anything I say, but that's okay. We're at the top. Viewing platform for Gullfoss.